In the last 24 hours, the crypto world has been electrified by some groundbreaking news. President Donald Trump has unveiled plans for a major US crypto reserve, set to include XRP, Solana, Cardano, and also later adding that Bitcoin and Ethereum will be included as well. Now, with all this exciting crypto news, there's been no better time to take control of your digital assets, which is why in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this bad boy, which is my new Tangem cold storage wallet. I'm going to be transferring my assets, my crypto, from my current exchange onto this cold storage wallet, sharing with you guys exactly how I do it, my thoughts on this wallet, and basically I'm going to be doing it for the first time on camera. So let's just see how it goes. So I ordered this package last week and it has just arrived from Hong Kong. Okay, it's the sticker pack. Oh, okay, I guess it's because I ordered it during, let's have a look, can you see that? During Valentine's Day, so it's come with a few little stickers, which will go down well with my daughter, so I'll keep them aside. A lovely white little box. It almost looks like something you'd receive from Apple. You can see that little logo down there of some ramen noodles. That is because when you order it, you have a choice of a couple of different designs, and I chose the design of these little ramen eating cats. Check it out. The only reason I did that is because they will be harder to lose, I figured. The other ones are like just dark black playing cards. Okay, so inside the box then, I have got my 3 cards. I did go for the 3-card option. You can also get a 2-card one, but I just figured for an extra £10 or $20, I don't know what it was safer just to get an extra card, just in case. And then I've also got my getting started little packet, so I'll open that up and see what it says. So I'm obviously going to need my phone to set this up. Okay, so I've just downloaded the Tangem app, so I'll screen record my phone and just share the process. I'll obviously be covering up any sensitive information along the way, but other than that, I'll start my screen recording now. And we're still in the App Store, so from the App Store, we'll open the app and get started. All right, so you can either order your Tangem card or scan your Tangem cards. I have already got mine, so I'm obviously gonna just go ahead and scan them. All right, so it's telling me to tap the card or ring. I think you can get a ring as well, as shown above, and hold until the end of the operation. So I'm gonna go with the red one first. Hold it there. So that's done. All right, now it says generate keys privately. Your keys will be securely generated inside the chip. There's no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. Now, with Tangem, you have the option for a seed phrase if you want. They didn't used to provide that option, but now they do. And I double checked that before ordering it because it's definitely something that I want. So I'll click on other options, generate seed phrase, and there you go. Now I'm gonna have to delete this part of the app, the screen recording, sorry, because the seed phrase is on display on my phone. So if you just give me a minute, I'll jot down my seed phrase and then we'll continue with the video. All right, so I've got my seed phrase down securely now and I have created my wallet. So once you secure your seed phrase, save it somewhere, it will ask you for 2 or 3 of your seed phrases just to confirm it. Then there was a button there that I had to click to confirm to create the wallet. And now that I've clicked on that, it's asking me to tap the card again. So I'll tap the card again on here. So that is done, ready to scan. Tick, done. No backup devices. So now it's asking me to start the backup process, add up to 2 more cards. So add a card, scan the card, 1 backup device added, add another one, 2 backup devices added, maximum number of devices added. Okay, there we go, finalize backup. It's actually really easy, much easier than I expected it to be at this point. Create an access code. Okay, so access code, set up a single access code to protect all your devices. Any word, phrase, or number that you want as your access code. Okay, re-enter your access code. Okay, so I've added all of my cards, and the last thing that it asked me there, which I didn't share with you guys, was that it just asked if you wanted to allow Face ID to override your access code when logging into the app. Alrighty, your wallet is configured and ready to use. That's what I've been waiting for. Okay, so let's continue to the wallet and get it set up properly. Okay, so it's already got Bitcoin and Ethereum in there. Obviously no balance on them, but they're just there as tokens. So maybe this is where I can actually organize search the market. So let's try and add XRP, add to portfolio on the main ledger, continue, my access code, scan the card. It's done, let's see. So go back to the home screen. Okay, so the next thing to do now, I believe, is try and log into my crypto.com exchange and send my crypto over. I'll start by doing a small transfer. So let's have a go. So we'll go into XRP, click receive. There is my address, so I'll copy that. So if you're using crypto.com, it's going to be very similar. It's probably going to be exactly the same as how I'm doing this, depending on when you're watching this video. But if you're using Coinbase or any other crypto exchange, it might be slightly different, but it's basically going to be the same anyway. So we will withdraw to an external wallet, add wallet, XRP address. So that's the address we just copied from the Tangem app. So when you're transferring from your exchange, if you're going to be doing what I'm doing and transferring to Tangem, you just want to click on a non-custodial wallet, because that's what this is. And in case you don't see it listed there, that would be why. So non-custodial wallet, continue. Do you trust the wallet? Yes, I do. Put my password in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now within crypto.com, I've got my Tangem wallet added for withdrawal. So click withdraw, yes, confirm. And then it's going to ask you to confirm it. And we're just going to wait for this to come through. So again, I'll stop the recording and I'll let you know when this has come through. All right, I'm back. That took less than a minute, and our $25.32 worth of XRP are now in my Tangem wallet. So I'm not going to cover in this video transferring all of my crypto off of the exchange, because it's just going to be the same process. I'm just going to have to repeat the same process for each individual different crypto holding. But yeah, that's pretty easy. We've seen how it works and I'm pretty happy with that. Only time will tell, I suppose, how much I enjoy using the Tangem app. But I'm just happy that my crypto, is now going to be off the exchange. If anything happens to the crypto exchange, it's not going to affect me. If they put any freezes on any of the crypto that I'm holding, it's not going to affect me. So I'm just glad to be away from that sort of risk, to be honest. And there we have it. If you are a crypto holder watching this video, I hope that you found it helpful, especially if you're considering using a Tangem wallet as well. There's been no better time, especially with the US endorsing cryptocurrency as part of their reserve, to move your cryptocurrencies somewhere where you feel like they're safe. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you did, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.